Hi, welcome to Syntura. $3 trillion of small business invoices sit unpaid at any moment. A supplier delivers the work, then waits 30 to 90 days to get paid, and most banks won't touch small business factory. Syntura fixes that with an AI underwriter that lives on chain. This is our risk model running live. Same engine that prices every invoice. Watch it move from a blue chip debtor of 82 out of 100 down to a fraud flagged one at 45. Syntura is live on BOTChain Mainnet with verified contracts and real USDT settlement. So let me go ahead and click on Launch App. So when you click on Launch App, it lands you to the dashboard. You can collapse this side menu bar or you can expand it. So on the dashboard, you need to let's go ahead and connect our wallet. So let's go ahead and deposit liquidity. But before then, if you take a look at the stats here, you will see we have the volume is this. Just take note of this while we do real interaction on the app. So you need to deposit USDT on BOTChain mainnet. So if you don't have USDT, you can click here. It will redirect you to official BOTChain DEX. Let's go ahead and deposit, let's say 3 USDT. You see the details here. You see some like info that it's stated per month, per year, the push here and everything. So go ahead and click on deposit, sign the transaction on our wallet. So the USDT is deposited. You can click here to verify on BOTChain Mainnet Explorer. So you need to click on Mains RWA invoice, then fill up everything here. So I'll do that right now. So over here, we can decide to upload. You are uploading real invoice documents, but in this demo, I'll upload just any PDF documents. So let me go ahead and run the underwriting preview first. This is local, no gas, no wallet. So let me click it right now. So as you can see here, the risk is 75 over 100, which is medium. Discount is 5.14%. Advance rate is 84%. So at $3, that's an advance of 2.5458 stream to the supplier, and on settlements, the split is 2.7 supplier gross per $0.21 pool per 0.09 treasury. So the supplier residual after the advance is should be 0.1542. Okay, so now I'll scroll down. I mint one signature. That's the only transaction that the supplier ever signs. So, and here is the part that matters. I'm not going to click any underwrite because I can't. That function is gated to registry verified agents running 247 on our VPS, as you can see here. So this is the dates. This was the ones that we ran before today. If you take a look at the date, this is 19th of August. 19th of August, this is 21st of August, the one that we just did right now. See the name, the debtor name, and everything, the risk, medium, and everything, just as I reported initially. So this is our Sentry service running on its own server with its own key. So as you can see here, it's read the invoice of the chain, we ran the same open source model, committed the verdict and an audit hash, 2 transactions, it signed itself. Nobody at Syntura touched that. You can also copy any of these transaction hashes and verify on chain by yourself. Just like I said, every step is a real event. Mains, underwrite, stream, settle. Each one links to BOTChain's Explorer. And the audit hash is reproducible. You can clone the repo, rerun the model on the same invoice. You get the identical hash. Our AI can't quietly change its mind after the fact. So here is our doc. Everything you need to know about Syntura is here. You can see how it works, invoice, NFT, vote, and streaming, and everything. We've got a lot of developments like updates coming up. And also yesterday at external wallet minted an invoice on Syntura. About 7 seconds later, our agent had priced it and committed its verdict. We weren't involved. 3 verified contracts on BOTChain mainnet. If you go to the landing page, just like I said when I started, the invoices increased, AI verdict increased, and we now have active 3 active users on our application with $5.82 in volume. So thank you very much, and don't forget to try out Syntura.